National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central El Paso County in east central Colorado, north central Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado until 6:15 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fountain, or 14 miles southeast of Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fountain, Pinion, Security Widefield, and Hanover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.